hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. You will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will lift me, dear God above. With words of love,
just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
you would live 100 years if I could show you how. I won't desert you now.
The rain can't hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is a heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear, and I'm at rest. A breath away from where you are, I've come home from so far. Don't you fret,
Dear
oh yes,
don't
feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now.
I'm here.
That's all I need to know. You will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers.
Alright, if any of y'all know Sonia, you've probably seen her at Hastings, none other. Go Hastings, yeah. And so there was a special request by Sonia, and I guess she wants a raise, but she wanted me to ask you, her boss, to do this next one. Right there, yes.
You're not getting it. When You're Good to Mama. Chicago, set in none other than the Windy City itself, is a satire on corruption in the judicial system during Prohibition. But ironically, this corruption continues still today, or so some politicians say. It is currently the longest-running revival in New York City with no end in sight. Here we have matron Mama Morton, who is the warden of a women's penitentiary, explaining in a very vaudeville scene how she can help out the prisoners. Meant to be a cabaret or burlesque performance that actually takes place cutting back and forth between a 1920s nightclub and the penitentiary. Please give a hand for Sonia.
Chickies in my pen, they'll tell you I'm the biggest mother. Yeah. I love them all and all of them love me, because the system works, the system called reciprocity. folks contribute to. You put in for mama, she'll put out for you. The folks atop the ladder are the ones the world adores. So boost me up that ladder, kid, and I'll boost you up yours. Let's all stroke together now, like the Princeton crew. When you're stroking mama, mama's stroking you. So what's the one conclusion I can bring this number to? When you're good to mama,